Process Expo covers a range of industries from bakery to meat processing and food processing in general.
It's quite amazing seeing dairy next to meat processing, next to plastic solutions, next to pumps. It's a crazy amount of everything.
The show is valuable to attendees from other segments to see what's going on in these other markets. There could be ideas that they may not have thought of before, or a machine could be used in a way it wasn't initially designed.